Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org, and in this video, I'd love to share with you how you can get more phone calls, more leads, and more website traffic by targeting the exact same keywords, showing up more on Google without cannibalizing yourself. A huge issue I'm sure you're well aware of. But before I get into the step-by-step with examples, I need to share with you chrispalmer.org. Regardless of your situation, just need a little bit of one-on-one with me, book a consultation. Need training? Looking for a course? You want to join a group and have mastermind with us? Just need proxies for your tools? Or you need a done-for-you solution? You need services? I have you covered. With that being said, let's jump over and look at some examples. Now, before I get into this, I want to point out that we test out our strategies on test sites. I have a really good friend of the family. We're testing out strategies on one of his test sites, and we're targeting car accident attorney. All right? So we're searching for a car accident attorney in New Orleans. This is not an easy phrase, and this is a test site. So mind you, we're looking for John Robin Law. When we scroll down the page here, we're looking for a commercial intent keyword, and I'm going to share with you the step-by-step, so stick with me, all right? I just want to point out with some examples to share with you that we execute on these ideas. I'd love to do it for you, and you can do it yourself as well. But let's go down here. Look, take a look at this. When we scroll down the page, you can see that, better yet, let's do it this way, John. So we're going to scroll down. Let's find good old John. John Robin Law. We're searching car accident attorney, New Orleans. Primary search phrase. We have one result in here, and with some backlinks and traffic and time, we'll get it to the page one. But what we're trying to do in order to maximize call flow, lead flow, and website traffic, we need to have the probability of generating the click higher, right? How we generate a higher probability of the click is by having more positions on page one. So how do we get more positions on page one without cannibalizing ourselves? It's by targeting multiple search intents. So what I'm sharing with you here is we have our commercial intent page, car accident attorney. When you scroll down the page just a little bit more, I know it's down here a little bit, bear with me, it's a test site, but when we scroll down, best car accident lawyers, New Orleans. We're not fighting each other. We're joining the fight together, right? So we're targeting different intents. Let me break this down what we're doing here, because you could do more than just target commercial and informational intent. Let me share this with you. So, and I have another example as well, so stick with me. What I mentioned just now is we have car accident attorney, New Orleans, right? So that is a commercial intent keyword. Then I created another page, best car accident attorneys, New Orleans. This is info content, informational intent. Same exact keyword, targeting the same keyword, but I have two results. Same SERP. There's one more. There's another one that we could do, and we could do list of New Orleans car accident lawyer qualifications. This will get us another slot for navigational intent queries. Now, let me share with you another example, because you might not be in the local space. I primarily focus on local, medium, small business, large business, local SERPs, these types of intents. However, I have a lot of affiliate products. I work with quite a few e-com companies now. So let me share with you another example, all right? So this time we're going to use a brand or keywords that I'm sure we all know, right? You probably know this one. So what we're going to do here in order to lay out the intents and how you can maximize calls, clicks, and traffic for your own website, let me share with you Microsoft Surface Pro. Microsoft Surface Pro, this is a product. All right, I'm searching, and I know this is a massive authority. It's Microsoft. I get it. But it's proving a point, okay? First and foremost, we have one slot, primary page, right? Right here. 1, 2, 3. What we did here is we've identified 3 separate pages, 3 separate intents targeting the same exact keyword, but they show up 3 times. Yes, they're authoritative, but what they're doing here is they're targeting the exact same thing. They're targeting a primary keyword that has high commercial intent, buy, right? Or just their product name, which is, Microsoft Surface Pro. This is a branded intent. That's somebody like me or you searching for the Microsoft Surface Pro. Branded intent. So there's one slot. Then they were going for buy Microsoft Surface Pro. Commercial intent. Then it was, well, where do I find it? Informational intent. Then it was, give me the specifications of the Microsoft Surface Pro. Navigational intent. This is how you're able to get more calls, more leads, more traffic to your website without eating yourself, without cannibalizing. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. If you have any questions related to this strategy or any other, please take the time to visit chrispalmer.org or ask a question below. I answer them all. And I look forward to seeing you in the next Chris Palmer SEO for Beginners video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.